Today's top stories. Oil prices continued their slump today as the commodity fell to a 17th-month low below $62 per barrel, despite large output cuts announced last week by OPEC. U.S. light crude for December delivery was trading at $62.94 per barrel at 14:52 GMT, after touching a 17th-month low of $61.30 per barrel in earlier trading. Evidence of weakening global oil demand is becoming more evident. Japan's top refiner Nippon Oil said that it would cut production by 15% in November versus last year, and oil demand in China rose by just over 2% last month, its slowest pace in 10 months. Global markets too continued to fall today, following further corporate profit warnings and job cuts, intensifying fears of a global recession. Local and international banks in the United Arab Emirates are ratcheting up pressure on Iran by refusing to open accounts for merchants doing business with the Islamic Republic and freezing their accounts. Pedram Soltani, member of the Tehran Chamber of Commerce, said that international banks are refusing to open accounts for intermediary companies registered in the UAE that have Iranian investors or an Iranian chief executive. Soltani said that local Emirati banks do not open accounts for these firms, but he noted that they strictly control the transactions, to the extent that they have recently begun freezing accounts in which they notice an entry and exit of suspicious funds. Meanwhile, Riza Kasaizadeh, managing director of the National Iranian Gas Export Company, yesterday said that despite international sanctions on Iran, Tehran planned to continue exporting enough gas to secure up to 10% of the world market by 2025. 9 construction workers were killed yesterday, and 19 more were wounded in an explosion on the Syrian side of the Iraqi border, an area allegedly used by insurgents for launching attacks into Iraq. Damascus denounced the raid as cold-blooded war crime committed by American forces in Iraq, saying that according to witness testimony, it was U.S. helicopter-borne troops that launched the attack. Washington has neither confirmed nor denied the attack, and the military said it does not have any information on the operation. A spokesperson for the Foreign Ministry of Iran condemned the attack on Syrian soil. Baghdad has asked Syria to hand over the group which uses Syria as a base for its terrorist activities. These stories and more at IranVNC.com.